In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a site permanently in HostGator, step by step. If you no longer need your site or you're starting fresh with a new project, this guide will walk you through the entire process. First, head over to HostGator.com. On the homepage, click the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your username and password, then log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your HostGator dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage your hosting services and websites. Next, look for the section labeled Websites. Click on it to see a list of all sites hosted under your account. From the list, locate the website you want to delete. Next to it, click on Settings to open its management options. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you see Delete Site Permanently. Be sure this is the correct site because once deleted, it cannot be undone. If you're sure, click Delete Site Permanently. HostGator will process the request and remove your site completely from your account. Remember, this action permanently deletes all files and data. If you want to keep anything, make a backup before removing the site. And that's it. You've permanently deleted a site in HostGator. Thanks for watching, and if this guide was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Good luck with your next project.